Hello, this is Rhoda from Canada. I'm gonna give you an instructional video on my new dance, advanced level dance, Make You Look. Now let's go through the main part of the dance, then we're gonna go through the tag 1 and tag 2. It's only 32 count. It is a full line dance for the main body of the dance. You're gonna go sister step with the right, side together, cross. You're gonna side rock cross, left side rock cross. You're gonna bend your knee as you go down on 5. Wall number 1, you're going to push your hand forward because the lyrics say stop. So you're going to go stop on 5. Step right to back together with the left foot. We're going to do a step, lock step, 8 and 1. First step to 8 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, push 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now keep in mind that the push is only happening on wall 1. For the rest of the wall, you do not have to do that. Second section, we're going to step forward with the left foot on 2. Quarter turn into the right and flick your left foot up on 3. We're going to go weave, cross, side behind. You're going to hold 1 count, ball cross. Right foot kick, ball cross, kick and cross. Now come back here for section 2 with the count. We just finished 8 and 1. You're going to step on 2, 2, 3, 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Section number 3, we're going to go rock it out to the right, recover as a side rock recover. You're going to do a sailor quarter turn to the right, sailor quarter turn. Now as you finish your sailor turn, prepare your shoulder because you're going to go walk around with a full turn. You're going to go half turn, pivot to the left, take a quarter turn turning, stepping right foot forward, another quarter turn turning to the left, shuffle into a sweep, and then you come back to the 6 o'clock, yes? Let's do that again with the count. We just do it 8 and 1. Side 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Last section. Cross, side, collect. As collecting your right foot slightly onto the angle, you're going to do a pair of that. Cross, side, collect. We're going to do 2. Then now we're going to go a jazz box quarter. Cross, quarter stepping left foot back. You're going to do a side together, 8 and. Now you're going to start the dance again, or you go into the tag. So we're going to do that with the sweep. That's your count 1. The last section with the count. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Now let's do the entire dance with the count. Make you look. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and that's the main part of the dance. Now let's walk through the tag 1. The tag 1 happened right here on wall number 1 at the end of it, but I'm going to show you facing this way. We're going to slide to the right, 1, touch in, out, in. We're going to go hip roll to the left and touch, hip roll to the right and touch. As you do that, you're going to go pole fiction with the left and pole fiction with the right. Then the lyrics goes, shake it down to the left and right. You're going to bump your hip down, slightly on the diagonal back, left, right, change your way. You're going to do the same thing, right, left, change the way. We're going to go quick, step back into a touch. Step back with the body roll back into a touch. We're going to do a hand, what? And you say, what? Now let's do that with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, hold 8. The lyrics actually go really easy with the text, so you can just follow the lyrics. It said, slide, slide, big eyes, shake them down to the left, right, bring it home, what? And that's your tag 1. After wall number 4, you'll be facing back to the 12 o'clock, you're going to do a master tag 2. I know it's a long one, but it's easy, okay? Now let's get ready. We're going to step to the right on count 1. It's slightly bigger than normal. That's you hold on count 2, take a 1-inch turn to the left, step back left, step back right, and take a one next step, big step to the left, and step and hold and drag it on 5, 6. You're gonna walk, 1, 8, 1, 8, 7, 8. You're gonna complete that diamond fall away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section number 3 of tech 2. 1, 8, rock it out, recover, side rock, recover. Front, side, behind, and sweeping to left and behind. Behind, side, cross. Side, behind, quarter, pivot, half turn, turning over to the right, step left up to the side. Now you're gonna get ready for the next part. The next part is the fun part. We're gonna go kick and 1. Now, added favor, we're gonna do a selfie. So group together, because you're gonna hold for 7 count, and 8 and 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go flicking to the left and looking over to the left side. There will be and 1. You're gonna hold on count 2, and 3, and 4. Flick the right foot, step down, flick your left foot, step down. Now the next 4 count is a whole count. You can either, you do have as a fan, you're gonna wave your hand just like the kitty cat paw. Yes? That would be 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can do the fan. Now after that, we're gonna go jump forward and back like a V step. And 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, hold 5, and 6, and 7. You're gonna take your left foot up, flicking and slapping with the left arm. Feel free to say woo. Yes? Let's do the entire tag together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 3, and 4, and 6, and 7, 8. And then you're gonna continue 1 more rotation. On wall number 5, you can fit in here, side together, 8 and. Just step out to the right and look to the audience. That's your make you look. Have fun. I can't wait to see your selfie and send it to me. All right, thank you so much. Make you look.